In this video, you will learn how to create CAD model revisions in CADdrive and track the development process. This is crucial since product designs evolve over time with new ideas and feedback from stakeholders. As an example, we will be using here a 3D model of a Lego bridge. Go to Versions and click on New Version. Put a number for Major, Minor, and Patch version. Then type a description of the version initial commit and upload the model of a bridge you already created in LeoCAD. If you have not done it yet, watch LeoCAD tutorial to learn how to create LDraw models. Add a new version. Change the patch number. Take the initial design as a basis. Type the description and upload the model of a bridge with a tree you created before in LeoCAD. Do the same thing again and upload the model of a bridge with an additional row. Here in Versions, you see two branches that go from the initial design. Versioning is useful when you want to propose alternatives to your customer. In our next video, you will learn how Issue feature works in CADdrive.